Are you struggling with sleepless nights, tossing and turning, wishing for that perfect rest? You're not alone. Over 70 million Americans face sleep issues, but there's hope. In this video, we'll uncover science-backed tips and natural remedies to help you sleep better and wake up rejuvenated. From understanding your body's internal clock to creating the ideal sleep sanctuary, we've got you covered. Ready to transform your nights? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as the circadian rhythm. This internal clock regulates your sleep patterns, telling you when to feel sleepy or alert. Did you know that exposure to light at specific times of day can directly impact your sleep quality? Here's how you can optimize it. Tip 1. Expose yourself to natural light during the day. This helps signal your brain that it's time to wake up and stay alert. Tip 2. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock. Tip 3. Avoid bright screens and artificial light an hour before bedtime. Blue light from devices can suppress melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. These small adjustments can have a profound impact on your sleep quality, aligning your body with its natural rhythm and ensuring restorative rest. Now, let's explore some natural sleep aids that can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Starting with one of the best options available, Chronoboost Pro. This 3-in-1 supplement is designed to support sleep, enhance brain health, and boost energy levels. Packed with scientifically backed ingredients like magnesium, ashwagandha, and L-theanine, it works with your body to promote restful sleep and vibrant mornings. Other natural options include valerian root, a well-researched herb shown to improve sleep quality and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. Studies suggest taking 300-600 mg before bedtime. Chamomile tea. Known for its calming effects, chamomile contains apigenin, a compound that binds to receptors in your brain to promote sleepiness. Magnesium. This essential mineral plays a key role in activating neurotransmitters that promote relaxation. Foods like almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate are rich in magnesium. Incorporating these natural remedies into your nightly routine can make a world of difference without the side effects of prescription medications. Your sleep environment plays a crucial role in how well you rest. Let's start with temperature. Did you know the ideal room temperature for sleep is between 60 and 67 degree hours? Maintaining this range helps your body cool down, which is essential for deep sleep. Tip 1. Minimize noise disruptions by using a white noise machine or earplugs. Tip 2. Keep your bedroom dark. Invest in blackout curtains or use a sleep mask to block out any light sources. Tip 3. Choose natural bedding materials like organic cotton or wool, which are breathable and help regulate body temperature. These simple changes can turn your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary, promoting deeper and more restorative rest. Daily habits play a significant role in your sleep quality. Here are a few strategies to enhance your sleep naturally. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily, but avoid intense workouts close to bedtime. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Techniques like deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation can help reduce stress and prepare your mind for sleep. Limit caffeine and heavy meals in the evening. These can disrupt your sleep by stimulating your nervous system or causing indigestion. By making these small but impactful changes, you'll be setting yourself up for better, more restful sleep every night. Ready to improve your sleep naturally? Start by trying Chronoboost Pro, your all-in-one sleep solution. Click the link in the description to order now and take the first step toward restful nights and energized days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science-backed health tips. Sweet dreams.